the video before this video, we did the installation of vz101867. So you guys can see how we took off the OEM spoiler. So we're starting off in the clear base. So in this case, we're gonna go with the carbon fiber look. We're gonna use vz100324. This gives your car a really good contrast, you know, with the carbon fiber, especially if you got that carbon fiber steering wheel. So in this case, vz100324 might come already with the pre-installed 3M tape, but in case you do want to get something more secured, more tackier, more fresh, more whatever, you could get fresh 3M tape, VHB 3M tape. That's meant for automotive, so you can go ahead and grab that at any local store. We also are going to be offering it on the website, so if you do want to buy our double-sided 3M tape, it will be something probably better than the one that's already sitting on the product. So you want to grab some 100% alcohol. You want to spray it on here, or you want to spray on the car. You want to go ahead and wipe the surface pretty good. And make sure, you know, that car wax that you applied to your car is taken off, or else the 3M is not going to hold. After you're done cleaning your car, you want to go ahead and remove the protection on your 3M tape. So after you're done taking off the protection from the spoiler, you want to go ahead and place it on the car. So the spoiler is molded to like sit right at the lid, like it follows the curve of the car. So you want to go ahead and align it to the edge of the trunk and sit it down. Once you're done sitting it down in the car, you want to apply some pressure. You want to get the angle from the top because you don't want to show the finish. Make sure you apply a really good pressure so the 3M can make contact to the trunk. So if you do want to go ahead and add some masking tape just to hold the spoiler down and then let it cure probably overnight, so that way, you know, you make sure that your 3M is doing really good contact with your car. So that's a wrap. We successfully installed vz100324. It's a pretty easy install. It does not take a few hours unless, you know, you have your OEM spoiler. It does take a little bit of work, but you could refer back to vz101867 video so you can know how to take off your OEM spoiler. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave me some comments below. Let me know how we did. If you guys have any issues, you guys can let us know. Email us, DM us. If you guys take pictures of your cars, tag us. Join our Mustang groups.